Hey guys, welcome back to Journal Output. I am Zainab Altaf, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how to unlock passcode disabled device with SIM fix and with everything fix. So as you can see, I'm having an iPhone and it is in passcode lock. I am putting my passcode but it is not opening because it's in passcode lock. So first of all, we need to run the checkrin. So let's boot to it. I'm having an iOS 14.4.2 and now we'll go to checkrin. So first of all, we need to connect our iPhone to the PC. And if you have iOS 14.4.2 or 14.4.1 or 14.4, then you have to click on options right here. And then you have to click on the first option which says allow untested iOS versions. So you have to click on over here. And now we have to click on back. And to begin, we have to click on start. And now we have to click on OK. So let's click on OK. Then we have to click on next over here. Now our iPhone will go in recovery mode. As you can see, entering recovery mode. And now it is in recovery mode. And now we have to click on start. When we click on start, checkrin will instruct us to put our phone into DFE mode according to device. So if you put, I have clicked on start and checkrin instructed me to put my phone into DFE mode according to my device. And now let's wait, let it boot. So as you can see, this is all done. Now it's all done, we have to now run the tool. So let's boot to Windows to run the tool. So now we are in the Windows, and first of all we have to disable the antivirus. So first let's disable the antivirus. Manage settings and off and yes. So we have disabled the antivirus. And here's the tool. The link for the tool is in down description box. And now we have to extract the tool. Here's the extracted one. Let's open it from here from the folder. So let's open the tool. Run as administrator and click on yes. So here's the tool, and we have to connect our iPhone to the Windows. So let's connect our iPhone to the Windows. Now the first ever work we have to do is we have to click on backup data. So let's click on it and wait. Backup data success, and it is saying if you want to restore your device, you have to click on yes. Yes, we want to restore, so we will click on yes. So let's click on it. And now it is saying if you have iOS above 13. Let's say I have iOS 14, then I will click on yes. If you don't have that, then you have to go to the 3U tools and you have to flash your iPhone. Now we have to click on OK. And if your iPhone is stuck, then you have to follow the following rules. As I said, if your iPhone is stuck, then you have to follow the following rules. And now my iPhone is in hello screen and it is in activation lock. So let me show you, it is in activation lock. So now for that we have to again run the checkrin. So let's boot to it. And as you can see, my iPhone is in activation lock. I have already told you how to run the checkrin, so I hope you can do it. I have fast forwarded the video. Hope you have already subscribed to my channel and click on the bell icon to get every new notification immediately. You have also smashed the like button and also have shared to your all friends. So as you can see, it is all done. Now we will again go to Windows to run the tool. So let's go to Windows. So as you can see, my iPhone is in activation lock and now we are in Windows. So again we have to disable the antivirus. So let's disable the antivirus. Manage settings and off and yes. And now we have to again open the same tool. So let's open it. as administrator and click on yes. So here's the same tool once again. Now we have to connect our iPhone to the Windows. So let's connect it. Now what we are going to do is we are going to click on activate device. So we have to click on activate iDevice. So let's click on it. And now let's wait for it. So as you can see, we are successfully done with it and our device has been activated. So let me do some setups and I'm going to show you that it is completely unlocked. Set up manually and here, and I'm going to click on continue. So as you can see, it is completely unlocked with everything fixed. SIM fix, notification fix, iCloud sign-in fix, on-off fix, and etc. Everything is going to work in it. Let's do some other setups and we're gonna go in home screen. So as you can see, everything's working. We are on the home screen and it is completely unlocked. So I'm gonna go in settings and I'm gonna show you my iOS version. So going in about, and as I told you that my iOS version is 14.4.2 and this is going to work from iOS 12 to iOS 14X, and this is also going to work MEID and GSM both devices. So now I'm going to power it off to show you that on-off is also working. So let's power it off and now let's turn it on. So as you can see, on-off is fixed and it is working. I'm going to insert a SIM and I'm going to show you that SIM is also working. So let's insert the SIM. And now it is searching. So as you can see the network name and network signals. So it is working, and now I'm going to make a call to show you that the SIM calling is also working. So let's make a call. So as you can see, it is calling. It means SIM is also working. It is completely unlocked with everything fixed. I have not shown you the notification or iCloud sign-in because the video will be so long. So that's why I have shown you little things that it is working. Hope that you like this video and you have watched it up to the very end. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end.